Today we're going to talk about how to divide fractions with a whole number. So if I have my problem 3/4 divided by 3, I really need to think about what dividing by 3 means. It means that I need to find 1/3 of something. So I could say that I have 1/3 of 3/4. Sorry, there's a little bit of lag over the video. I can now do this with a visual method. I can take my box that I have that represents one whole and I can divide it into 4 pieces to represent the 3/4. So I'm vertically going to take my box, split it in half, and then split each of my halves in half to make 4 equal pieces. Since I have 3 of those 4, I'm going to shade in 3 of those 4 pieces. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Now I have to look at dividing this into 3 equal pieces or finding a third of each of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to horizontally split my pieces into thirds because I have 3 that I'm dividing it into. So if I divide this into 3 equal sections, I have 3 pieces now horizontally. I want to have one of those 3 pieces because I'm only going to get one of them. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to now color in one of those thirds. When I look at this on here, when I took my fourths and my thirds and I split them up into them opposite ways, I now have 12 total boxes. I have 4 going across the top and I have 3 going across the bottom from my fourths and my 3 that I split it into. Looking at which ones I have colored with both blue and red, there is 1, 2, 3 boxes that are both red and blue. So 3 out of the 12 is going to be what my fraction answer to this problem would be. From here, I can simplify it. I know that both 3 and 12 are evenly divisible by 3, so I could divide 3 by 3, and I could divide 12 by 3 to get an answer of 1/4. This will all show up here in a second because it's again on a very big delay. But that is how I would divide fractions using a visual model.